Hey everyone, it's Shelly Rufin, your go-to Fafsa guru. If you want to stay ahead of the college planning game and master Fafsa like a pro, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. Let's conquer college planning together. I'm Shelly Rufin, your college and Fafsa consultant. Follow for everything A to Z Fafsa and college planning. Join free Zoom webinar at EDFIN College Planning at https chat www.edefin.net event list. Paying for college. Fafsa 101. How much can you get for college? Hey everyone, it's Shelly Rufin, your 33-year Fafsa guru. Follow me for all things financial aid and A to Z college planning. Welcome back to my channel, where we talk all things financial aid and college planning. Today, let's answer a common question. How much does Fafsa pay for school? Fafsa, or the free application for federal student aid, doesn't directly pay for school. Instead, it helps determine your eligibility for various types of financial aid, like grants, loans, and work-study programs up to your cost of attendance for college, $33,000 to $258,000. How? Keep watching until the end to learn how to pay for college. The amount you receive depends on factors like your family's income, the cost of attendance, and your academic status, and so much more. Here are some top financial aid tips. 1. Complete the Fafsa early to maximize your aid opportunities. 2. Explore scholarships and grants that don't require repayment. 3. Borrow federal loans before considering private options. 4. Appeal your financial aid package if your circumstances change. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow me for more financial aid tips and college planning advice. Questions? Don't forget to post your questions in the comments. By demystifying the process and applying these tips, you'll be well on your way to securing the financial aid you deserve. Why work with me? Saving families $33K to $258K, graduating with minimum to no debt. Many ways to work with me at EDFIN College Planning, free online Zoom webinar, or free discovery call. Click the links below to learn how to get started. Or call, text, pay for college. Hit the subscribe button for more Fafsa insights and college planning advice. Don't forget to post your questions on the comments. See you in the next video.